You excited?
Yeah, it's raining.
This is so cool.
Yeah. This is it. Dammy.
You get to go 6 times.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Make sure my box is done up. Cool, it's a long way up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got cool down. Ready?
Oh, we're still going up.
Oh,
Up we go.
it's really high.
It is really high, isn't it?
It's really high to go up. Man, this is gonna go up really far.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. We're at the top. And down.
Oh. There's another one.
Yeah, another one.
What?
Cool.
Oh,
There might be trolls living in there.
what trolls?
And underneath those rocks.
I don't know what trolls look like.
It's a bit wet, I think. Oh, crikey.
Crikey, what?
Wow, this goes up really high. Is this looking fun? Well, this goes up again.
Where?
Cool, it goes up really high.
Where does it go up again? Oh yeah. Oh, what is happening?
What is happening?
Who is that?
I don't know, but she's using her brakes.
But this is really hard. Look at that dark forest.
Yeah.
That's really dark. That goes really.
Here we are, we're nearly there.
Are we?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh no, we've still got further to go.
What? What the heck?
This is really high. Oh, make sure the camera's nice and clean.
It goes really high up.
Yeah, it goes really high up.
I didn't know why there's two on these.
It's really high, isn't it? It's cool.
Oh my goodness.
This is really high, isn't it?
Yeah. This is really hard. Can't go really high up, can we? Can't go down.
Can't go down, can't go up. Shall I use the brakes or not?
No.
Shall we just go really fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that what you really want to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we go far?
Here we go. Oh!
What?
Oh, it's just suddenly stopped us. Here we go.
Whee! It's going faster.
Whoa!
Whee!
Whee!
Oh.
Is this good?
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 Here we go, down. Whee! Whoa, air time.
Hey guys.
Whoa! Air time.
Hey guys.
Air time.
Hey guys.
Air time.
Look at that view.
Oh! Here we go! Hey! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Air time!
Hey guys.
Oh!
I want to go again.
That was awesome.
I want to stay on top.
Thumbs up?
I'm going to go again.
Okay, so you can let go of the handles.